How to view your page posts on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to view your page posts on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and then go down until you find not settings, pages, and here just select your page, and here you will find posts, and here you can view your posts on Facebook Lite and your page posts, and you can create any post you want just by click this one. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.